back to the channel. Just got my coffee machine in, just been delivered. It weighs an absolute ton. Apparently it's about 37 kgs, and with all this packaging, I don't know, probably about 45-50. The place I got it from was in Hong Kong, from Hazel Hershey Coffee Roasters. Ordered it yesterday on the 22nd of July, and it's arrived this morning. Yeah, so brilliant service. Okay, let's unbox this thing.
Happy birthday!
Woohoo!
Woohoo! Dog?
The dog's here as well. Right, let's have a look. What do we get inside?
Wow! That's huge.
That one, warning, pick up here, not here.
Ah,
There's a manual,
nice.
and then some sort of quick start. Okay.
That's huge.
External plumbing. See all that? Oh wow, that is big. How am I going to take this thing out? Right, I'm going to have to... Right, let me see if I can get this. Yep, there it is. There we are. Now I'm going to lift it up. Took a while, didn't it? So yeah, so it's just these hooks that are holding it. Well packaged, which is nice. Let's have a look at this. This is the stuff. Maybe I'll bring the maybe I'll put it on the table first. Oh, that's heavy. Do you want to come and help me? And what do we get with it? We have a cleaning brush for the group head, microfiber cloth, and lots of sachets of what is this? Milk frother cleaner, and I'm assuming a back flush. Okay, so that's good. Another cloth from them, victoriaarduino. That's good. Right, we have a tamper from Victoria. It's very, very light. It's good. It's not convex, it's just flat. How heavy is this thing? So about 440 grams. Not bad. It's actually pretty heavy. We have stickers in here. We have the double shot Portafilter. It's leather, if you can see it from here. There is a different style on the website that people sell that you can get. I think it's a bit more spiky around here. But this is leather, single. So it doesn't come with a bottomless Portafilter. I believe you have to buy it. This is round. It's unlike the Amazoko ones where they have a flat spot here where you can tamp. Also, these are angled as well, not the usual. And what else is there? They have blank one for cleaning. Let's look at this. So this one has similarly on it. This one doesn't have anything. This is from this one. This is stainless steel apparently, and I think you can take this. You must be able to take this off. There's screws in here, so take this off for cleaning, which is good. So the baskets that they come with is, not sure what size that is. I'm not sure what size that is. Doesn't say. So yeah, a couple of them. So I'm assuming that must be. Yeah, I don't know. I've got to measure it. And then this one, single one. Good. You see? Oh, there you go. It's pretty good. Versus this one. And I'm just going to get my VST 18. So this is a VST 18 grams. So how much is big? So I think this one is the 18 because it looks like similar. I've used this a couple of times. Ooh, some of the holes are blocked. And this is the bottomless portafilter that I've been using. So hopefully it'll fit because it's angled exactly the same, you can see. So I can use this one if I needed to. Put this way first. Try and lift the. So I've got to wait for the wife to help me lift this thing. Plug, European plug. So I'm assuming they don't make. This is from the official distributor in Hong Kong. So Hong Kong uses the same plugs as UK. It's a 3-pin. So I'll need the adapter for this.
Hey, sir, just come here.
Well, you can stand on this side if you want. What? You okay?
Yes.
Lift.
I am looking. It's slippery and plastic. Where do you want to take it? What is that cardboard thing?
Oh, okay.
It's
Ooh, that's good.
so slippery.
Oh, no.
Just a little
Sorry.
bit. It's fine.